Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Sora 2, and I'll also give you an invite code so you can get access to it. First, go to the Sora website, then just go through the login or sign up process. After that, enter the invite code, and that's it. Now we have access to Sora 2. This section here is called Explore Sora.
Have you ever wondered how a computer can write a story or answer a question? Large language models or...
Car! Dispatch, driver just fled, young brown and white. Evening. You know why I pulled you over? Wait, is that a cow? Sir, ma'am, step out of the vehicle for me. All right, hooves off the wheel, buddy. Hey, stop the car. Dispatch, driver just fled, young brown.
And if you want to create your own video, all you have to do is write your prompt down here and click generate. All right, while it's generating, let me show you how to remix an existing video. Open any video, click the remix icon, and then type the changes you want to make. For example, I wrote a prompt asking it to turn the video into Lego style. Let's see how that turned out.
Good afternoon. That's good, just put in park for me. You know why I pulled you over? Yeah, well, you're doing 65 and a 45 and you're a dog. You can't be driving. All right, hang tight, don't take off. I'm gonna need your... Good afternoon.
Now let's go to my profile.
Afternoon. That's good, just put in daylight. Secrets.
Here's the first video we created with the prompt.
Has a story it won't tell you in daylight. Secrets sit in the mortar of these bricks like bones beneath a graveyard lawn. They whisper if you know how to listen. Soft, patient, and sharper than knife. Every street has a story it won't tell you.
And here's the one we remixed into Lego style, and it looks amazing. I'll leave my invite code in the comments below. Please, if you join, drop your own invite code under my comment too. Each person can invite up to 4 people. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.